Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Gilbert, as you know, and me and my friend Jose have decided to make a band. Yes, I said it. What? Band. Yeah. Anyways, so our band's name is Ninjasaur. I wish I could have that little thing that goes with rainbows, but no, I don't. Anyways, but yeah. Um, So we're making a band called Ninjasaur. It's on my Facebook. Hopefully I'll tag you with the link on here in this video. If not, it's on my channel. If you scroll down, it'll be there. And yeah, but basically we're making a band. We're making our music very well, so hopefully y'all like the page enough so we can make music. And yeah, so Jose's not with me right now, he's busy, so I decided to make the video instead. He's like hey, make the video. I'm like, okay, but yeah, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna start our music pretty soon, and hopefully we'll make some new songs. Y'all should give us suggestions of any song names. Give us a little bit of lyrics if you want, and we can turn that up. We'll put you in it for helping us. So thanks. Anyway, so yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. I'll be making more video updates for the band. So. Love you. And sorry for the noise in the background. It's my brother. It's annoying. Sorry. I'm about to But yeah. Love you. This Ninjasaur is out. Peace.